Suppressing your emotions can have negative consequences on your mental and emotional well-being. It can lead to increased stress, difficulty in forming meaningful connections, and other detrimental impacts to your well-being. There are various reasons why you might be suppressing your emotions. It might be because you've been socially conditioned to do so. It might be because showing emotions makes you feel vulnerable or exposed. Or perhaps you've had some form of past trauma, and suppressing emotions related to that trauma is your coping mechanism. It could also be that you have a lack of awareness of what it is you are actually feeling. Whatever the reason or the reasons, this emotional freedom technique tapping session is designed to help you release those blocks so that you can lean into a better version of you. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. Selfcare Karen is all about empowering busy women to feel their best and to give their best. I've done quite a few EFT tap-along sequences, and so I've created a playlist, and I'll link that playlist up here. If you're watching on a mobile device, you'll be able to link to my other tapping videos. Today I'm going to get started with the tapping as fast as I can, just a little bit of an introduction. If you want to learn a little bit more about me, the things that I do in relation to EFT and self-care generally, then take a look at the video description. I do sell EFT related products, including custom written scripts, and you can find more details about what I do down below in the video description. EFT or tapping is a really effective way of working through your limiting beliefs, your emotional blocks, and really building thought patterns that help enable you to live your best life. A key part of my self-care journey has been better understanding this talking therapy, and I really took an interest. I've taken such an interest to it that I have done a course, and I have now become a certified EFT practitioner. So EFT can be an effective way to help you stop suppressing your emotions, allowing you to feel them and express them. And this can be done through the emotional awareness that you create with EFT. It can be done through releasing the energetic blocks, and from doing these sessions in a safe and supportive environment which allows you to freely express your emotions. The key approach here is to approach this all with patience, self-compassion, and if you feel like you need to, get additional professional guidance from a therapist, from an EFT practitioner, and so on and so forth. This session is going to be taking the suppressing of emotions from a broad perspective. If you do have a specific trigger or trauma that you have identified, you might consider, as I said, getting some really kind of specific professional help from an EFT practitioner or a healthcare specialist. Okay, so let's get started, and here it is. You just need to do what I do, say what I say. If you don't feel like talking, just listen to the words, but make sure that you're tapping on the points. Hopefully you're somewhere safe and quiet, somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed, a space where you can actually just focus on your emotions. And I want you to start taking some deep breaths that really calm you and help you center yourself. And we're going to get going with the karate chop and acknowledging. Even though I have been suppressing my feelings, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have been holding back my emotions, I honor my experiences and acknowledge that it is safe to express my feelings. Even though I have learned to suppress my feelings, I recognize the importance of emotional expression for my well-being. Okay, I'm going to start tapping the eyebrow. I choose to tap into my authentic emotions and release the habit of suppression. Side of eye. I embrace the power of EFT to help me release the suppression and allow my emotions to flow freely. Under eye. I have been suppressing my feelings. Under nose. It's become a pattern for me. Chin. I choose to release this pattern now. Collarbone. I honour and accept my emotions, and I release the fear of my full expression. Underarm. I am ready to release the tension I have in my body and mind from suppressing my emotions. Top of head. I am ready to allow my emotions to flow. Eyebrow. I release any judgment or criticism I have towards my emotions. Side of eye. I choose to create a safe space for emotional expression. Under eye. It's okay to feel vulnerable and open. Under nose. I release the need to suppress my authentic self. Chin. I give myself permission to feel deeply. Collarbone. I'm ready to let go of any tactics I use to suppress my feelings, like overeating, avoidance, burying myself in work. Underarm. I am ready to let go of the belief that emotions are weak or unwelcome. Top of head. I allow myself to be me and express myself fully. Eyebrow. I release any past experiences that have contributed to my suppression. Just letting them go. Side of eye. I choose to learn from those experiences and move forward. Under eye. My emotions deserve to be acknowledged and heard. Under nose. I embrace the wisdom and guidance they offer. Chin. I am opening myself up to be a more authentic person and live a more fulfilling life. Collarbone. I give myself permission to fully express myself. Underarm. I allow my emotions to flow freely and naturally. Top of head. I choose to reclaim my power to honour and express my feelings in all that I am and in all that I am becoming. Stop tapping. Take a deep breath in. Release that breath. And just check in with how you're feeling. You might have had actually some strong emotions come up during that sequence. Just allow yourself to feel them. You can, of course, repeat this process whenever you want to, or you can continue tapping until you feel that you have a sense of release and the permission that you need to express your emotions. You can, of course, change the words to fit your specific experiences and emotions. Remember, approach all this EFT tapping with self-compassion and seek professional support if need be. Thank you so much for watching today. I will be uploading another EFT related video next Monday, and on Fridays I upload beauty product related videos that just kind of legitimise my addiction to beauty products. If you did like today's video, it really would help out my channel if you could click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, put a comment below, or share this video. It just sends out a really strong message to the YouTube algorithm for them to serve this EFT tapping sequence up to other people who are watching EFT tapping sequences on YouTube. Thank you so much. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.